I'm like the Batman of hurricanes, dude. Granted, relying on viewer contributions and donations to survive and pay all my bills and get all my meals is a dicey proposition. But we're getting that time of year where people are like, I may not always agree with everything Thor says. And that dude may be super crazy. Look at that big muffin inside of the sun at the end of that coronal hole. And he has crazy crushes on all those pop stars that they say the Illuminati have mind controlled. And I'm like, yo, dude, don't armchair quarterback James Bond. But I'm definitely the guy you come to when you need to know information that may save you, your family, your pets, your properties, asses when the hurricane chips are on the line, and weather chips, really. And so, as I've been saying nonstop, I think I put up 5 or 6 videos yesterday, I think this thing's going to be a hurricane. On some level, in some shape, in some form. This thing reminds me of what might be Hurricane Harvey, and I say that as a proud Houstonian, except it's shifted 200 miles west. Yeah, dude. So everybody, I'm not throwing anybody under the bus. I only do that when I'm absolutely forced to. But, weather guys, yeah, I would go full red alert on this one because it's going to sit over the water for several days. And the water is hot. The water is almost as hot as Emma Watson. We're talking 86 degrees. That is freaking hurricane rocket fuel. And so the multiple models have shown this thing. We're looking at the GFS. Multiple models have shown this thing dilly and dallying. Right? We're going to watch the GFS. Although the GFS is like the one selling it under the bucket. No, I'm not going to show you the GFS. I've changed my mind. Crap. Now this editing and camera thing screwed everything up. What was it talking about? Probably women and hurricanes. Oh, plus me being broke. Planetary Defense Commander, man. It's a weird thing. Okay. What was it talking about? Yeah, this thing. Like, depending upon contributions and donations, I'm not going to just, tell you shit willy-nilly. Did I use willy-nilly already? I don't want to use willy-nilly too many times in a video. What I'm saying is, as I've been consistently saying, and you guys come to me around hurricane season, grudges slide off real easy. If the people who were mad at me before, when the hurricanes roll around. And that, as I've said, if this thing is going to be over the water for over 18 hours, slow down, Mercury's gone retrograde, self. If this low pressure system is going to be over the water for more than 18 hours in the Gulf of Mexico, where 86-degree temperatures are being registered, then it's going to be a Cat 3. So you're going to have a Cat 3 acting like Hurricane Harvey, right? For 3 days. And it could be Cat 5. Like, if it just sits over water and continues to rapidly intensify, Hurricane Barbara got to Cat 4. So, right now, the icon is taking it. Everything is drifting towards Louisiana. I still think it's going to take the models a while to lock in after the Mercury retrograde has gone. Retrograde, right? And so, everybody's on high alert. And the Euro is now taking it closer to Texas. But either way, this thing is going to be a monster and a beast and a heavy rainmaker. It's like it was 2019. It's like the reason I gave up my super great job to do this full time is because I saw we were going to be here. It was large earthquakes and lots of hurricanes and volcanoes popping off nonstop. And so we're here. But now I got to say, having everybody get smacked in the face with 6 hurricanes in 2 years, the overall, not you guys, Astro Fight Club spectacular, but the overall attitude seems pretty nonchalant. And so yeah, I'm the guy here, and it's my job to tell y'all, yeah, this thing is a real deal, and I may have to change up my future. I'm wondering now, because I had predicted it. I won't get into that right now. Let me get back on a cool train of thought. Give me a second. See, I almost feel like it's a shoe-in. Before this season, I said we're going to get by 2 or more hurricanes. Before last season, said the same thing. Before last season, said the same thing. So I'm going to be 3 years running. Hope I don't get cocky. Yeah, we're looking at the euro. And so each tick is 6 hours. 1 tick, 2 tick, 3 tick, 4 tick. So that would be a 3 ticker. So that would make it about a category 1, category 2. Which is still a hell of a way to start the season. And we have seen it go from Destin all the way now to the middle of Louisiana. And so if it continues that trend, it could put it in Houston. But I think Houston is fine as long as me, Fitzroy, and Apollo are keeping a bowl. Now, granted, Sam's been trying to pop it, but the White Queen could play a heck of a mind trick, so can't blame a fella. I guess excuses time is over. Either way, I'm just saying, Houston needs to stay cool. All right? Okay. But yeah, I'm watching like a freaking hawk. Yep, you're welcome. I appreciate any signs of thank you. Oh, I appreciate you guys. Just pretty damn broke. All right. And I'm doing a fantastic job. Whatever. Shut up, me. I should go. I'm getting grumpy with myself. And this is what's frustrating, is that the GFS is showing major flooding rain totals on next Sunday, which is a week from today. Dude, now let's watch the rainy part of it, shall we, together? I should zoom out. Was there like 10 boring seconds there? I'm sorry. I should let you watch the whole thing. Let's watch the whole thing. Well, actually, let's watch it with pressure. I'm jumping around. Okay, we're starting out on Tuesday the 9th. Maybe the pressure wasn't that good. I just like a different change in color sometimes. And this has such a peaceful blue and green. And though I may be acting jovial today, this is a very serious subject matter. And this could be a very dangerous situation. Yeah, dude. Look at that thing grow. So technically that low pressure, this is what I don't get. The GFS has it sitting over that super hot water for over a day. So how does it not intensify? That don't make no dang sense. And why are these models all so different? Why, when you go searching for information, do you only find more questions? I thought I would get smarter as I got older. But as I get smarter, I just find that there's more I don't know. That's crazy. And if I want my YouTube channel to be really successful, I got to tell everybody I know everything. Okay, I was joking around. Those blockheads at YouTube are never going to let my channel be successful. You kidding? They have too much money pent up in NorCal real estate to be letting you guys know that, oh yeah, volcano eruptions are imminent in the next 2 to 3 years in California. I've been saying it all year. I said, at the beginning of the year, I said there's a 70% chance we will see a volcano eruption in California this year. I'd never said that before, ladies and gentlemen. And then I said, hey, 95% chance it'll happen by the end of next year. That's how confident I've been that we will see volcanic eruptions here. Now, I don't think the Silicon Valley Google guys want you to know that. For sure. See, by owning the monopoly that is any place you want to house your videos, they get to protect their investments. Apparently, a lot of people are doing that. That's what makes me so cool. Okay, let's look at the rain. And I should show boobs because I told some really serious information. And the irony is that I think she's really beautiful. And she's got a really beautiful face. So, you know, So a lot of times when I show you beautiful women or boobs, I'm probably trying to distract from the fact that I dropped a major truth bomb, okay? So you guys should lighten up on your judgment of me. But really, Amelia's gorgeous. And she's your... What is this? Crazy. Uh-oh, I must have hit a wrong button. Let me get back to the damn hurricane before I get in other trouble. She's really pretty. And she's a great dancer. Plus, her smile is fantastic. Man, I'm screwing these buttons up all over the place. People be like, you're drunk. I wish. It costs money to buy alcohol. Or you're high. Yeah, I'm high on science. I'm high on life. And I'm high on kicking ass. Because I'm the guy over here telling you that every model you watch is only reconfirming my confirmation that this thing is going to be a big nasty beast. I'm guessing category 3, if not worse. Worst case scenario, it could get to cat freaking 5 and then just sit there and whiplash the whole coast for days. It's possible. Probable? Well, if you add all this shit up, the amount of time the low spends over the water, the heat of the water, you know what I need? The one saving grace we're going to get is wind shear. But you're going to need a freaking monster wind shear, man. This is totally reminding me of Hurricane Harvey. Except Hurricane Harvey sat over land. This will be sitting over hurricane rocket fuel water. What are you wearing? Don't put in the jokes and don't put in the talk of the donations. Don't put in your speculations. Just put in the hardcore weather science that I'm looking for. Please don't use. Hey, I'm trying to work with you, buddy. I really am. That's a lot of freaking rain, man. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up eventually. I don't know. How long have I been yip-yapping? She's like, please, mister, tell me more about the sun and its solar happenings here in our atmosphere. Plus, I got to get all of my wacky out before the hurricanes start hitting. Slight chance of storms. A stream of solar wind is expected to reach Earth on July 9th, bringing with it a slight chance of G1 class geomagnetic storms. High latitude skywatchers should be alert for auroras, especially in the southern hemisphere, where winter darkness favors visibility. Oh, hey, gang. Another spot, sunspot that is, from the next solar cycle. The next solar cycle is producing sunspots. The pace is picking up. For the sun time this month, a sunspot from solar cycle 25 has emerged in the sun's southern hemisphere. The growing sunspot is inset in this magnetic map of the sun's surface made by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, July 7th. It seems pretty wimpy. I wonder if it's gamma. Can I help you healthy? Because you're delta. Now I'm just acting like a jackass. Nobody's going to listen to me act like a jackass, right? Okay, great. My love life's like a total eclipse of the heart. Oh, yeah, that's another thing. So, Hurricane Harvey came soon after, a few more days, after a total solar eclipse. We just had a total solar eclipse. So now we have a hurricane that is shifted 210 miles east, kind of like I guessed the hurricane that would hit Florida, but that one was not supposed to hit till October. Now I'm all jumbled around and stuff. I'm just saying, we're in the middle of eclipse season, man. Like, we got another eclipse coming on the 16th. I'm sorry, I forgot. I needed to make the mother of dragons happy. Here you go, Em. Or Eem. Wait, crap. Mother of dragons. My second favorite Targaryen? It's Steve. Yep, I just stuck my noctilucent clouds right in your face. And now they're making waves after waves after waves after waves. I added a wave. Did you notice? I'm still really totally freaking out about this snake on Jupiter. First of all, Jupiter's gonad. That is optometrist, NATO. Shit. Worst joke ever. I tried really hard. I worked hard at that joke, but it's the snake. Plus Mercury just went retrograde. Why'd it have to be Jovian snakes? You know, you could have finished downloading in time, Indy, so we could have been in unison. Now my production value looks lower than it should. Way to go, Indiana. It's not even a GIF. Way to fake me out, Siri. So yeah, dude, hurricane. I think it's going to be hurricane. I'll do a better update probably by midnight, so calm down. Everybody calm down. And she's really beautiful. And a good dancer. Okay, I want to talk about something else before I get too weird. Hey, baby, do you like lightning? Well, it's been Lightning City pretty much all day, every day for the last 97 hours. We've seen a peak of 64,000 lightning strikes in 48 hours, and now we've come down to about 40,000, which is still over a period of time of the last week. That's more lightning I've seen in North America on these maps than ever before. Do you like me as the fast talker, or should I slow it down? There is that encroaching rainfall I've been talking about. We should take it seriously. Take all this seriously. Why do you think I do this? It's to save lives. It's to get people informed. It's so that people know more. It's that people have a shot at a good future in the future. It's that people don't get caught in the wayside of the flim and the flam, where their science is watered down with some other bullshit that includes sales of jello-filled water balloons that are bad for your health. What? I don't know. I love you. What? This is going to be crazy. See, it's like the Ten of Cups was in every reading, so now my expectations are high. That's not how I really want them to be. But all jokes aside, Hurricane Barry, or call it what you want to, is one of the most interesting, fascinating models hurricanes that I've ever seen before. The models just don't know what to do with it. I'd like to thank Fitzroy, though you can blame him. Before I recorded this video, he took me out to eat at an all-you-can-eat fried chicken establishment, and now I'm high on chicken. If any of you mofos ever doubted that I'd been in the city before, now there's your proof. Oh yeah, we have a Mexican volcano range that's been lit all year, and the 6.5 and 7.1 earthquakes hitting California. You've hit the nail on the head. I'm no fun at parties. We should be more concerned about the shit that is going down in Mexico, because it is affecting our Gulf of Mexico. It is affecting our oxygen. It is affecting our air. It is affecting our jet stream. And we've been through so much, like Ariana says. No more tears left to cry. Dang, it feels good to be a Asteroid Fight Club member. Go Astonishers. Okay, love you guys. Sorry I got so wacky. Getting all my wackiness out. Okay, great. Well, yeah. And if you did want to be super cool and keep your Planetary Defense Commander happy, you can send bill money or pizza money to these locations. They will be in the box. And you guys are fantastic and great. I'll do the best I can. And I'm sure I'll get more serious as everybody wakes up and realizes this thing is really freaking dangerous. Wait. Cue that one Rothschild dude. Zoltan. He's decent, man. Cue Elon Musk. It is retrograde. Cue the Phoenix. Oh no. I don't know if my skin is healed back enough from all the gaslighting. Cue the Save Off Marshmallow Man. Pew pew, pew pew, pew pew. Everybody love Mercury retrograde. I'm sorry, my mind was somewhere else. I was busy worrying about this thing turning into a Category 3 or a Category 5 hurricane. My mind was elsewhere. It's summer. It's like I'm in summer Planetary Defense Commander mode. Yeah, dude, this totally reminds me of Hurricane Barry, but worse. Wait, Hurricane Harvey, but worse. Damn, I screwed it up. Now I'm about to burk chicken, and nobody wants that. Now I'm about to burp up chicken, and nobody wants that. And yeah, I didn't want to have to do this, but here's the cranky weather guy bat signal. I'd like to hear what he has to say about Barry. And yes, I chose this gift because it has things that would make Snow Weenies happy in it. Crankster. He's cool. So the color picture make it look like a thing. Don't Cat 5 me, bro. And I'm not. And it's not. But I'm just saying. It don't make no sense. That low pressure system is going to sit over rocket fuel waters for so long. Then it's possible. Yep. I hate to say it, but I got to. It's possible. These are the backgrounds from the movie Akira. Tetsuo. Is there a chess move here that leads to cuddling and fudge? Erica Delgado got the soggy setup continues as we head into the start of the work week. All eyes on the potential for a tropical system to develop over the Gulf of Mexico late in the next week. Yeah, dude, we really need to clean up our shit. I agree with the Hulk. I'll say it again. Unless some major factors change or there is a weather shear wind component I don't know about, Cat 3 is probable. 1 to 3, easy. WX Geek, a disturbance that is currently over the south looks to dive southeastward into Florida, emerge over the Gulf of Mexico, and develop into a tropical cyclone. While the exact track and intensity are uncertain, the idea of a tropical cyclone is becoming more likely. Hey, thanks, Geek. There are nerds, there are geeks, and there are dorks. And I am king of all of them. I am king of all of them. We're all kings and queens, man. Pull your panties out of your butthole. In the Bronx boy, 2005. He's only got 995 to catch up to Andre, 3,000. Saying, holy Cat 5. And I technically think a 957 is a Cat 3. Or low end Cat 4. But yeah, the 957 is the shit I'm talking about. Like, this is possible. Over those waters, this would be a Cat 3. Pretty sure. Let me double, triple check for ya. Thanks, Brock's boy. You should hook up some grilling roof parties for when I come out to NYC. Oh, and tell Katya. And Amber. Okay. This editing in the whole thingy thing allows me to be freestyling, profiling, get myself in trouble, act like a dork, nerd, geek. That's hot. That's really hot. The whole area, that's hot. Yeah, boom. 953. That puts us, 957 will put us right in Cat 3 range, man. So, Category 3, like I call it like I see it, and that's why I still get to do what I do. So, I love you guys. Thank you guys. And God bless everyone. And I'll be on this like stink on shit. I need a better catchphrase than that for this volcano, hurricane, big earthquake, summer odyssey, one crazy summer 2019. I need some work too. I miss my editing program.